And we're in Hardyville, South Carolina. I'm having a great time. And you might say, is it because I'm getting to fish on the water? Maybe, but more importantly, I don't have to cook today. Tammy's cooking. What are you making?
I'm making pork belly tacos with pineapple salsa.
Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, hopefully they're yummy. Yeah,
And,
they're gonna be yummy.
And I don't have to grill or smoke anything, do I?
Nope. I'm going to fry the pork belly, and I'm going to make up the salsa.
Stay with us. This is going to be great for me, at least.
All right, so I'm making a pineapple salsa to go on our pork belly tacos, and I have about a quarter of a cup of pineapple juice on the bottom here, and I'm going to put a half a cup of pineapple in my bowl that I've already chopped up, a half a cup of tomato that I've already chopped up in here. And I've already chopped all this stuff up because I didn't think you wanted me to chop all this stuff up. Same thing, about a half a cup of cucumber, one jalapeno that I chopped up really fine. And I would have put more in there, but then it would have been really spicy, and I'm the only one that likes things that spicy. A bunch of cilantro, which is maybe a quarter cup. One clove of garlic. About a fourth of a red onion, because that's really strong. It'll overtake everything. And then, oh, that's Sadie the super dog. And then one lime. And this one's really juicy. All right, so all the lime's in there. Just gonna mix it up. What do you think about these fine utensils we have camping? They're fancy. It smells really good. And this will be the top for the pork belly tacos. All right. That's it. Yep. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and then I'm also gonna add a little bit of this amazing Mexican. And if you don't have this, add a little bit of, red pepper flakes or something like that, just to, if you want to add a little kick. You don't have to do that, but I like a little bit of spice, so. I love pepper. All right, so this is the pork belly marinating, and what I did was I took 2 pounds of pork belly, I trimmed off all the fat and skin, and you have to do that because you don't want to eat the fat and skin. It's kind of gross. I mean, I guess if you want to eat it, you can, but I wouldn't suggest it. It's gross. Anyway, so I cut off all the fat and skin, and then I'm marinating it in, everything will be in the description box, but I'm going to try to remember. It's soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, green onion, honey, brown sugar, I don't know, I can't remember everything. A bunch of stuff that I made up, and it'll all be in the description box with the amounts, okay? It's all in here. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna fry it up. Okay, so another major ingredient in this is pineapple juice. But like I said, I'll have all the ingredients in the description box, so everything will be in there with the exact amounts. So you'll be able to duplicate this if you want to. All right, so I'm gonna take the pork belly and I'm going to put it in the frying pan. This is gonna be really hot, so hopefully I don't burn myself on this. And it's gonna fry up really quickly, so it shouldn't be in here very long. Okay, so these are going really fast. As soon as these get done, I'm going to put them in the bowl over there with the paper towels so I can get some of the grease off of them. And then we'll put them on the tacos in a minute. It's been about 20 minutes, and I'm going to take these pork bellies off. It's kind of cold here, so it's taking a little bit to get the oil really hot. But they're brown now, and we're gonna get them off. I'm a little nervous because the oil just spit at me. So bear with me. I don't want to get burned. Alright, so I've got my warmed up tortilla. It's a corn tortilla. I'm going to put some of the pork belly in the tortilla. And there's a little fly. Sorry about the fly. So, a couple of pieces of the pork belly in here, which I cut up because Jeff said that the pieces were too big for his. I need a spoon for the salsa. I don't have. It says this is some of the pineapple salsa that we made earlier.
Alright, which one's mine?
Whichever one you want, you can choose. You're gonna
okay.
take the biggest one.
I'm gonna take the one with the most belly in it. These
Okay.
are great. How did you learn how to do this one?
I'm from Phoenix. That's how.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. This is the best thing we've had all weekend. Pineapple right away. Crispiness from the pork belly right away.
Pineapple's really good.
Mmm.
I like pineapple. Yeah, these are pretty good.
I should have got a napkin.
Yeah. Thank you for getting the corn tortillas too, by the way.
Cilantro. I mean, I'm getting everything. Mild spice, nothing too strong.
Nothing's real spicy. And we could have put another jalapeno in there.
Mmm. Oh my gosh. You did really well.
Thanks. They're pretty good.
Oh. What do you say about this? This is incredible. You guys got to try this.
So
It took what? 10 minutes to make the salsa?
Mhm.
The longest part, because it's cold, the wind's blowing today. It's in the 60s and the wind's blowing. And we didn't have a cast iron skillet. So the longest part was browning the pork belly, right? Probably, what'd you say, 20 minutes or whatever?
yeah, it took a while. It took a lot longer than it should have. But well,
I'm not a big teriyaki guy. Soy sauce guy. If you watch any of my videos, you know that. But it's very mild. It's incredible. These are really, really, really good. I'm probably going to like you for a while. Hey, you guys, thanks for watching so much. Another one of our videos. We appreciate you hanging out with us out here in South Carolina, Hardyville. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit the subscribe button.
these are messy.
The subscribe button will be over my head, not over her head, because y'all want to watch her anyway. And there's a little bell. If you'll click the bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos, right?
I don't know.